guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what is in my monthly wellness box with Young Living. So if you are new to Young Living or you are unfamiliar with Young Living has basically it's a rewards program. When you purchase monthly and you're a part of the Essential Rewards program, you get major perks in the form of points back to use towards free product, and you also get bonus free products, usually in the form of oils. So it's really worth it to be on Essential Rewards. I do it because I'm going to be buying from Young Living monthly anyways. I have ditched and switched a lot of the toxic products in my home with Young Living products because they are completely non-toxic and they're even good for you. So instead of going to Target every month and rebuying toothpaste or body wash or dish soap, household cleaning products, beauty products, and even some of like the things in my medicine cabinet, instead of buying those things monthly, I just order through Young Living and I get major perks from doing that. So totally recommend it. Plus it's just really fun to get a box every single month. It's delivered straight to your door, so I don't even have to leave my house. I can stay in my pajamas if I want to and still get my toothpaste delivered to my door. Nice. So this is technically my August wellness box. I place my order at the end of every month, and then we were out of town for the majority of the first part of September. And so this box kind of sat in the mailbox for a little while, and I just got my hands on it and just opened it up. But I'm really excited to share with you the things that I chose to get in my box this month. The first thing that I got is an absolute staple in every wellness box. I always get a bag of this Einhorn Granola. It has oats, nuts, seeds, berries, cacao nibs, vanilla extract, and sea salt, and it is the best granola out there. I love this stuff. I go through it so quickly, and I've actually already opened this and eaten a lot of it. I like to put it on top of yogurt or even just snack on it by itself, but it's really tasty, really crunchy. It's not overly sweet. It doesn't taste like it has a bunch of artificial flavors and chemicals in it, which is because it doesn't. But I think what I'm going to start doing, because I go through it so quickly, is I think I'm going to start putting a couple of these in my monthly wellness box order because I just go through it that quickly, and when I run out of it, it's a really sad day. So I'm going to just start stocking up on this every single month so that I never run out. Next, I got the Murrah Lustrous hair oil. I have not tried this, but I've heard really good things about it. And I use a hair oil on my hair after I've washed it. So I don't wash my hair every day, but when I do wash it, before I blow dry it, I usually put some kind of oil. It's typically been an argan oil that I just got from like Target. I put it on the ends of my hair, and then I will blow dry my hair after that. But I don't know what the heck is in that stuff, the stuff I've typically bought in the past and used, and so this I know has got a lot of essential oils in it, and it's non-toxic and good for you. So I'm really excited to ditch and switch my hair oil with the Murrah Lustrous hair oil from Young Living. I actually have not smelled this yet. Oh, wow, it smells really good. It's clear, it comes in a little dropper bottle, and it smells really, really good. It's kind of got a spicy smell to it. Let's see what's in it. It does have argan oil in it, but it's like a pure argan oil. Grapeseed oil, passion fruit, marula seed oil, black spruce. The black spruce is, I think, that like earthy tone or earthy smell that I'm smelling. Orange, lavender, sage, lang lang, and rose. So a lot of good things in here. Super good for your hair, super moisturizing, and gosh, it just smells so good. It's actually got a lot of oils in it too that are going to be kind of calming, and I wash my hair at night, so this will help me relax, and I'm going to smell good on top of it all. I had some really pretty natural light going on, but the sun just went behind the clouds, so bear with the lighting changes. But the next thing that I'm going to show you is an essential oil And this is a blend of essential oils called Endoflex. And this oil is super good for promoting a healthy endocrine system and just promoting healthy hormones, hormone balance. So this is one of the oils that I have been meaning to get my hands on for a really long time, and I finally did it this month, and I'm so excited about it because my thyroid is out of whack. So this is just going to help support a healthy endocrine system, which is what I really need right now. Like I said, this is a blend of essential oils, so it contains spearmint, sesame seed oil, sage, geranium, myrtle, and nutmeg. It actually smells super good. It kind of has a spicy, minty smell to it, and then it also has like a little bit of a floral tone as well. Smells really, really good. So the way that I'm going to use this oil is I'm going to just pop a roller bottle top directly onto this bottle and then roll it right over my thyroid area. I'm gonna do that every single day. And I've heard really, really good things about this from fellow users. You get a roller bottle top in your starter kit. So I'm just gonna use the roller bottle top that I have from the starter kit, and I'm just gonna pop it right on top of this and then use it every single day. And I'm really, really excited to get started using this oil. The next oil that I got this month is another one that I've been meaning to get, and I finally did it. This one is Peace and Calming. So I have a roller bottle that, like a blend that my friend made for me called Calm. She called it Calm, and it is lavender, frankincense, and Peace and Calming. And I love that roller bottle. I want to make like 10 million more and just like carry them with me at all times because I am prone to anxiety anyways. I also have a 2-year-old. I'm 36 weeks pregnant if you are new to my channel. So there's just a lot of things that I need to remain calm about. And so I just really love that blend. But I had the frankincense and lavender. I just did not have the Peace and Calming. The frankincense and lavender come in your premium starter kit, so I already had those. I just needed this one, and I want to make it for like friends of mine. It's just such a good blend. It smells really, really good. So this is a blend of essential oils. What is in this bottle right here? It is not a single oil. It's what you would call a blend. And it is made of tangerine, orange, lang-lang, patchouli, and blue tansy. So all of those are very grounding and calming. Orange and tangerine are uplifting, but they're like happy oils. And then the patchouli is very earthy smelling. The patchouli is very grounding. I use that in my skincare, and I love that oil. And then the lang-lang is just so calming. So yeah, this is a really good one. I'm so excited that I finally got it. So that is all of the things that I actually purchased myself. But like I said, you get points back from being on the Essential Rewards program. And you also get extra perks like free oils if you spend a certain amount of money. So because I did reach that threshold, I got a free bottle of spearmint in my order, which is so nice because I did not have this oil. And it was 100% free. So very excited about that. Also, I have been collecting my points over the last couple of months, and I am going to cash them in next month and get a bunch of free stuff. So I think I'm probably gonna do another one of these unboxings next month, and that one will be really exciting because I'm also gonna have my redeemed Essential Rewards points to show you guys. So these are all the things that I got in my August wellness box. Let me know in the comments if you have gotten any of these products and tried them yourselves, especially the hair oil and the Endoflex. I would love to hear from you guys to see how you liked those because I'm a first-time user of both of those things. I have started a new Instagram account dedicated completely to essential oils. It's called Oil and Leaf Essentials. So go follow that account because that's where I'm going to be sharing all things essential oils, recipes, diffuser blends, the different things that essential oils can do for you and your family, as well as just, I want it to be a place where we can just talk about essential oils. So go follow that account. I also wanted to address on this video because I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of questions about it. Do you use essential oils while you're pregnant? Yes, I do. That is my personal choice. I believe, and this can be controversial, I'm sure, I personally believe that I would rather use 100% natural oils from plants on my body while I'm pregnant than something that I don't know what it is or is made from chemicals and can potentially harm me and my baby. That's just me. I say you use essential oils according to your comfort level, but I personally feel very comfortable using the majority of them. I do back off from ingesting them and applying some of them topically, but for the most part I feel pretty comfortable using essential oils while I'm pregnant, and it has honestly been such a blessing being able to help certain things that I'm not able to take or use Western medicine to help with, if you catch my drift. This pregnancy has gone so much smoother as far as how I feel, and I think it is so much due to essential oils. So like I said, I just wanted to put that out there because I'm sure I'm going to get some questions about it. I still use essential oils while I'm pregnant, but I do encourage you to use them according to your comfort level. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them in the comments or go follow me on that Instagram account and message me there. I love talking about essential oils. If you would like to get started with essential oils, also message me and we can discuss how to get you started the best way on the right foot for the most affordable cost to you. It doesn't have to be expensive, and it also can save you a whole lot of money by using essential oils, believe me. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, show me by giving me a big ol' thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your post notifications are turned on because I am doing baby watch. So that'll be fun, that'll be exciting, and you don't want to miss any of those vlogs. So make sure you're subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.